Bitcoin may be the king of cryptocurrency, but have you ever wondered what else is out there? Altcoins like Ethereum, Cardano, and thousands of others are changing the game in ways you won't believe. So what exactly are altcoins, and how do they stack up against Bitcoin? Let's break it down. What are altcoins? Altcoins, short for alternative coins, are all the cryptocurrencies that aren't Bitcoin. Think of Bitcoin as the firstborn, the original cryptocurrency that started it all. But just like how different companies make different smartphones, there are thousands of other coins with unique features called altcoins. Some altcoins focus on speed, others on privacy, and some aim to improve on Bitcoin's technology. Ethereum, the smart contract king. First up, Ethereum. Unlike Bitcoin, which was designed purely as digital money, Ethereum is a whole platform where developers can create decentralized applications, or dApps. Think of it like the App Store for crypto. On top of that, Ethereum introduced smart contracts, agreements that automatically execute when certain conditions are met, without needing a middleman. It's like a vending machine. You put in money, and if you've selected a valid option, it delivers. No need for anyone to oversee the process. Example, imagine renting an apartment using Ethereum. A smart contract could automatically release your deposit to the landlord as soon as the lease ends. No paperwork needed. Cardano. Focus on sustainability. Next, let's talk about Cardano. It's often compared to Ethereum, but with a key difference: sustainability. Cardano aims to be more environmentally friendly through its proof-of-stake system, which uses much less energy than Bitcoin's mining process. Where Bitcoin and Ethereum require a lot of computing power to validate transactions, Cardano's proof-of-stake model lets people validate based on the amount of Cardano ADA they hold. It's like owning shares in a company. The more you own, the more say you have in how it runs. Example, think of Bitcoin as an old-school power plant that burns a ton of coal, while Cardano is like a solar-powered system that gets the job done with much less energy. How do altcoins differ from Bitcoin? So how are these altcoins different from Bitcoin? Bitcoin's main purpose is to act as digital gold, a store of value and a secure way to transfer wealth. It's the most stable and widely recognized crypto, but it has its limitations. Ethereum, on the other hand, is more like a massive programmable platform for building all sorts of blockchain applications. Meanwhile, Cardano is focused on making blockchain sustainable, scalable, and secure. Example, think of Bitcoin as a high-security vault for storing your wealth. Ethereum is more like a tech playground where you can build, run programs, and automate tasks. And Cardano, it's a vault that's eco-friendly, with an emphasis on long-term sustainability. Staying safe while investing in altcoins. Before diving into altcoins, here are a few safety tips. First, always research the project behind the altcoin. Not all altcoins are created equal. Some have real use cases, while others are purely speculative. Second, never invest more than you can afford to lose, and make sure to store your coins securely using a hardware wallet. Example, think of investing in altcoins like buying stocks in a startup. There's potential for big rewards, but also higher risk. Always do your homework. Now that you've got the basics down, which altcoin are you most excited about? Ethereum? Cardano? Or something else entirely? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 in a Million for more beginner-friendly crypto content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay smart, stay safe, and stay curious. See you in the next video.